Good morning, Madam Senator, our beloved Mayor of the City of Baguio, members of the Northern Luzon Cultural Heritage people. First and foremost, we'd like to say, we just came up, the commissioners of the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples are here, with the exception of Commissioner Agton and Commissioner Browner, who is taking care of the legal conference in Manila. First and foremost, we'd like to say we all came up from a budget hearing last night. We thank the good senator who is here with us today, the mayor who has welcomed us, the people of the region who bear the culture of the Northern Luzon and Luzon area, those from Cordillera Regional Office who worked, I understand, tirelessly to be able to put this thing together, and the workhorses, those of you who are responsible for our being here. In the beginning of politics and political dealings, in the shocking process of budget hearings, it comes as a breath of fresh air that out of the blue, Senator Lauren Legarda came to the NCIP to request us to co-sponsor with her a national summit in 3 batches and then one nationally in October as her contribution toward the celebration of Indigenous Peoples Month. She made sure that we wouldn't talk of the issues that divide, but rather of the characteristics that bind. That we will not talk about the stresses we go through, for there are many, but that we celebrate the joys of the colorful rainbow that the indigenous peoples of the Philippines have to contribute to the Philippine nation. So we say thank you again, that when we forget who we are, somebody comes along like a breath of fresh air to tell us to remember who we are. We are our DNA. We are our history. We are our future. And most especially, we are our present. And everything that we are is our culture. Somehow, however, all of what we are over the years as we change for culture is not static. It's mirrored in our language, in the way we look, in the clothes we wear, in the food we eat, and in the practices we carry over, even as we try to join the majority in the 21st century. That is the indigenous people's cultures. In the Philippines, a short stint with the NCIP has made us even more appreciative of the variety of cultures that the indigenous peoples have to contribute to the Philippine nation. Sadly, we are the reason for tourism, and yet the travel tax that has been pledged to the NCIP is nowhere to be found. Kadayawan, Panagbenga, all of this are culturally bound and structured around indigenous peoples. Sad to say, when the ati-hatihan is staged, the artists do not recognize themselves. When the Kadayawan is staged, the Manobos forget that they are supposed to be part of it. It is with this undertaking that we join wholeheartedly the good senator's wish that we look back, appreciate our very rich cultures, and build on it. Today, significantly, it is held in the North, where there are the most highly educated, culturally integrated, and politically astute IPs of the whole Philippines. From here, we have lots to learn from Luzon, but we have also much more to learn for our brothers and sisters in the Visayas and Mindanao, who we will go to after this summit. As your contribution contribution toward the Indigenous Peoples 3-month run-up, as we call it. The first month being handled by Congressman Bagila at the lower House of Congress. She now chairs at the upper House of Congress. The attempt to try to focus and to highlight that which really makes us who we are, differentiated perhaps from the majority Filipino, but still trying to return the hues and colors of the rainbows that we represent into the gray and almost monotonous Philippine reality. Also, this attempt is to bring back to the fore that climate change is something that the indigenous peoples have lived with for so long. We know when the wind changes. We know when the rain falls too harsh. We know when there is something calamitous that is coming. But we have to be left in our ancestral domains. When we come into the city and we sit in concrete structures such as this, we are housed in homes that do not depend on the first twitter of the birds in the morning or are put to sleep by the hoots of the owl in the night. We forget that we have come from where the climate was mild because we take care of our environment and we do not extract more than we need. That is the legacy of the IP. It is a legacy and a culture that we ourselves as IPs are losing very fast. In our attempt to try to be like the other, we are forgetting the richer past that we are only too willing to let go. Let this morning's pre-summit, therefore, be a pledge of all of us who have had the privilege to come, to continue what the good senator has started and to refocus. We use the word again once more for the second time. To refocus on who we are that make who we are. And that is our cultures as indigenous peoples of the Philippines. Again, to everybody who has made this occasion possible. And more importantly, who will continue the challenge of the summits. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga po.